basically from this app, you can get plus or minus 2,000 in a week, baby.
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
I'm sure you probably guys know by this time, whenever I find a way to make money online, I always plug you guys, because this financial life is so big and so hard to be eating it alone, honestly. But anyway, be it whether you're looking for a side hustle or anything like that, I'm your girl to help you find ways in which you can make some coins online. My name is Fikileza Manjomane Mhlonga, and basically I offer finance and lifestyle content. Today, I'm going to be giving you not one, not two, but three legit ways in which you can make money in the comfort of your own home. Isn't that great to hear? Yeah, man, let's get into it. So the first app that I'm going to be sharing with you guys that you can use, it is legit, easy, and very, very much paying. So from this app, you can make plus or minus 2,000 in 1 week sitting at your own home. If you do not know what the ref.com app is, basically they give you money for transcripting audios. As simple as that. So basically what happens is that a lot of companies have stopped having a secretary to write minutes of their meeting as their meeting goes, and resorted to recording the meeting and then hiring people like me and you and anybody else to write down and transcribe for them what has been said on the meeting. So by this time you already know the things that you need to know. So the first thing that you need is data in order for you to access the site so that you can do the shande. Second of all, your listening skills needs to be on stereos. So you need to make sure that you have your best headsets with you and stuff like that. And then the third thing is that you need to ensure that you have your English on your A game, on stereos, people. You need to know your English, like know your English, period. Okay, so basically what happens is that with the link below, you're going to follow the app, you're going to follow the link to the site, and it's going to take you to the test. Okay, so when you write the test, you need to make sure, again, practice before you write the test. It is very important because with English, we think we know everything, but we don't. Because simple things like where to put is and exclamation marks, a comma, and all those things, they are very, very crucial in this app. You need to know synonyms. You need to know your grammar needs to be on, you know, you also need to be able to punctuate well and stuff like that. Just know all your English basics, like literally the English that you learned at school. Yes, baby. That's the things that you need. Those are the things that you need to know. So it is very, very important that you practice a few things before you write the test. Okay, this app will pay you plus or minus 2,000 in a week. Obviously, depending on the number of gigs that you get in order for you to get the money. And also, you need to make sure that you have good quality headsets and stuff like that. And always have, and the most important thing, obviously, is to have a stable internet connection. The second app that you can use to make money online in South Africa is called Livingston Research, okay? So Livingston Research is basically more or less similar to transcript Stevens, but it is different in a way that you are writing things by yourself. So this video, like mentioned in the title, it is very student friendly. So what it does, what Livingston Research does, is that you are like becoming more or less a blogger, if I can say, or a freelance. You're becoming like a freelance writer. So what you do is you write about anything and everything, and then you just give your opinion on it based on your research to the people, and then you get paid for that. So you can make up to 6,500 in a month from this app. Okay, so what happens is that you also need to know your English, because the test does not come easy, though it is not as hard as transcript Stevens, but it is also not as easy. So you need to make sure that you do know your English very well, and that you are aware of all your punctuations, all the things I repeat. It is very important to practice the English before you get into it. Honestly, it is very important. It will save your skin, okay? So what you need to do is that you're going to select a subject of your choice, whether you're doing commercial subject at school, if you're in high school or varsity, whether you're doing accounting, when you're doing economics, science, literally it's very broad, so before the test you get to choose which one you will be specializing in, which is very good for us students specifically, because then it will help you to give to get more research about your course. For an example, if you're doing economics, then you will know more about economics because you will do more research, and that will help you not only financially but also academically. So you are basically killing two birds with one stone. So the third app is called Snap and Save. So Snap and Save basically pays you for buying things, and that's all. Literally, you buy the things that you love and you get paid for it. So it has like a lot of things that we buy, like things that you really use on a daily, like your bread, your milk, your eggs, your chocolate, literally everything and anything is there. So they put like a lot of things there, and then whenever you go buy, you come and get your rewards, which gets turned into cash. Okay. Basically, for an example, when you buy chocolate, things like chocolate, they give you like 100% of your money back. If you go and buy a chocolate bar for like 10 rands or 15 rands or something, they actually give you the 15 rand back. So it's like you ate the chocolate for free. If you buy things like eggs, obviously they were going to give you like maybe 10 rand off and stuff like that. So they just, I don't know, they're incentivizing you to buy certain brands and you get money out of it. So yeah, you do not make a lot of money out of this. At most, I've made 300 out of this because I'm not much of a shopper. So if you like shopping, obviously you can make money, but also 300 is better than a 0 rand, okay? Especially if the only thing you need to do is to just take a picture and upload the thing and everything is fine. You just take a picture of your slip and you upload it and you make money. Alright, so this is it, and I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you have any questions, if you get stuck anywhere and anywho, then please do DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna try to make sure that I answer each and every single person's DM. But please do be mindful that whenever I post a video like this, I do get a lot of DMs and stuff like that. I might not get to your DM right away, but I'll definitely try everything in my power to respond to you guys. And remember to subscribe to my channel in order for us to grow. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for coming and watching this video and for watching it up to this far. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Mwah. Thank you.